Hey, Brooklyn.
Hey, Mommy.
It's time to go to bed.
Okay.
So how you supposed to go to sleep? Like that. How your daddy sleep? How your mama sleep? How your daddy sleep there?
Y'all not gonna keep talking about me.
Yes, we are.
Your mama snore too.
No.
And her eyes be open.
No.
Yeah.
Put your feet down.
But
Feet down.
do your eyes be open?
No.
Like a
She
zombie.
said no.
Look like a zombie over there.
Brooklyn.
Huh?
Why do your daddy sleep like that?
Because he makes sounds and we scare him.
But why do he sleep like that? Is it because he's a boy?
Yeah.
And how do boys sleep? And how do girls sleep?
I sleep like a man. And you sleep like a man too.
No, I sleep like a girl.
No, I'm talking about your mama. Your mama sleep like a man too.
No, she's not a man. She's just a girl.
She trying to talk about me.
You gonna let your dad talk about me, Brooklyn?
But you are not a man.
Tell him. Tell him.
She ain't no man, but she sleep like one.
But
I thought it was another man in here the other night.
no.
Brooklyn, you gonna let your dad talk about me?
No.
Get him. Get him.
Ow. Don't beat me up, Brooklyn. No. No, don't beat me up, baby.
I'm not beating you up.
You was just beating me up and you was kicking me.
I just put your feet on here.
Okay. I'm gonna put